You know, staying on top of YouTube trends is like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. 1 minute, you think you've got a grip on what's hot, and the next, it's gone, replaced by something even more bizarre. First off, there's the YouTube trending page. It's like a digital pulse check, a snapshot of what everyone's watching right now. You click on that Explore tab, and bam! You're hit with a whirlwind of viral challenges, music videos, and the latest influencer antics. It's a chaotic mix, but it's where the magic happens. Then there's the search bar. Just type in a few keywords, and watch as the autocomplete suggestions pop up like little breadcrumbs leading you down the rabbit hole of what's buzzing. It's fascinating how a simple search can reveal the collective curiosity of millions. And let's not forget social media. Twitter and Instagram are like the gossip columns of the internet. Trending hashtags and topics spill over into YouTube, giving you a heads up on what's about to explode. You can almost feel the energy shifting as people flock to the latest meme or challenge. Google Trends is another gem. It's like peering into the soul of the internet, revealing what people are searching for in real time. You can see the spikes and dips, the moments when something captures the collective imagination. Finally, there are those analytics tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. They're the secret weapons of the savvy creator, offering insights that can turn a good video into a great one. With all these methods at your disposal, you can navigate the ever-changing landscape of YouTube trends. It's a wild ride, but that's what makes it exhilarating, right? Creating a video using AI is like embarking on a digital adventure, where each step unfolds a new layer of creativity and technology. It all begins with defining your goals. What kind of video do you envision? An animated tale that dances across the screen, or perhaps a polished presentation featuring a lifelike avatar delivering your message. The possibilities are endless, but clarity is key. You need to outline your content, sketching the narrative arc and identifying the key points that will resonate with your audience. Once your vision is clear, it's time to choose the right AI tools. Imagine harnessing the power of synthesia to bring a virtual presenter to life, or using Pictory to transform your text into engaging short-form videos. If animation is your calling, DID and Runway ML can conjure characters and scenes that leap from your imagination. And let's not forget about the visuals. DALL-E and Midjourney can generate stunning images that complement your story, while video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro can polish your creation to perfection. With your tools in hand, the real magic begins. Write your script, perhaps utilizing Descript for seamless voiceovers, and gather your visuals from AI generators or stock libraries. Then, it's time to assemble everything. This is where your video starts to take shape, as you combine visuals, text, and audio, adding transitions and effects to enhance the viewing experience. Finally, you review your masterpiece. Does it align with your original vision? Are the visuals captivating? After making any necessary tweaks, you export your creation, ready to share it with the world. In this digital age, the fusion of creativity and AI empowers anyone to tell their story, transforming ideas into vibrant, engaging videos with just a few clicks. Using ChatGPT is like opening a door to a world of possibilities, a digital companion ready to assist you in countless ways. The first step is simple: access it. Whether you're logging into a web interface or downloading an app, the entry point is just a click away. For developers, the API offers a gateway to integrate this technology into your own creations, making it as versatile as your imagination allows. Once you're in, the real magic begins. You can ask questions about anything under the sun. Want to know the weather in Paris? Just type it out, and voila. Need help drafting a cover letter that stands out? ChatGPT is at your service, ready to polish your words until they shine. It's not just about answering questions. It's about collaboration. You can brainstorm ideas for a birthday party or dive deep into complex topics like quantum computing, transforming confusion into clarity. But to truly harness its power, specificity is key. The clearer your question, the more tailored the response. Instead of a vague inquiry about history, narrow it down to the causes of World War II and watch how the conversation unfolds. If the answer isn't quite right, don't hesitate to refine your request. It's a dialogue, not a monologue, and the more you engage, the better the results. Yet, amidst this digital dialogue, remember the importance of privacy. Keep personal information under wraps and always verify critical facts. ChatGPT is a tool, a resource, but it's not infallible. So, explore, experiment, and let curiosity guide you. There's a vast landscape of knowledge and creativity waiting to be uncovered, and all it takes is a simple question to get started.